partnership reminds us that meaningful progress happens when government and the private sector work together with shared vision and purpose.
It's my great pleasure to join you today at the MOU signing ceremony between the Provincial Government of Sugbo and MTD Philippines Incorporated for the development of the Satellite Provincial Government Center, Sport and Economic Hub and Food Security Center here in Sugbo. This monumental occasion symbolizes confidence, partnership and a shared aspiration between Malaysia and the Philippines.
It reflects a simple but powerful philosophy. Progress must not benefit only the few, and the government must become accessible and more responsive and more present to every day. MTD Philippines' approach is an opportunity with optimism and humility.
This is only the beginning, and I'm excited for what lies ahead for our province and for every Cebuano. Thank you, and padayon for Cebu.